Hi YouTube. Today I have a 2014 1500 CRV and got some noise. So that's what they told me about it. They wanted me to check to see what kind of noise coming from. So let's go test drive to see what kind of noise is that. Not sure my camera can hear that. Every single bump, there's a noise. If a flat road like this, you don't hear nothing. Okay. If a little bump, then yes, you can hear it. Okay, there's a bump coming up. We'll see that. Especially when you yank it, there's more noise. If you do this, and you can hear the steering making sound. When you bump the vibrate like this, they make noise. Okay, if you go for a bumpy road, will sound like this. Yeah. Okay, let's say that when you turn your wheel like this, okay, when you turn your wheel like this, it doesn't matter which side, and you take off and that noise stop. Okay, so could be anything under the car. Well, let me jack the cars out and let's go check to see what kind of noise coming from. It's very interesting when you have noise like this, you know. There's a lot of leaking from here. So I don't know that what kind of leak. It could be from the shock right there, and all over right here is wet. So not 100% sure it's a shock, okay? Because noise like this is hard to tell. And when I put in a little ram like here and I try to yank the steering, it does not make any noise no more, and it sounds like this. But it's not from here, okay? I just say as sounds like that. So definitely the shock is had to be go because they're leaking, okay? And it leak a lot. You can see all over right here is wet, okay? See right here, especially, okay? And coming from up there. Let's test this shock here. I'm gonna put my body into right here and push down, and you can see that the bouncing a lot, so that means the shock's totally dead on this side. And I think it probably from the shock, okay? And I'll test the other side to see how it sounds. So this side is quiet, okay? So I probably just replay the shock to see what happened first, okay? Because that one is definitely dead, okay? This side is not bad. I bought the complete one, and this is coming everything, okay? 175, something like that, I think. Plus tax coming to like 190. So Everybody thinking about changing only the shock, of course cheaper, but you have to compress this right here, and you're missing the, you know, the stress and the cap right here, because the cap here I think have a bearing in there, sometimes making noise too. So when you buy a complete set like this, you have a little chance that you may make mistake, then you just buy the shock by itself. Okay, so I prefer to buy complete like this. This is a lifetime from auto part. Anytime that if something wrong, I just, you know, take this bag and get another one. You can get it from like Amazon or eBay. I think way cheaper. Okay, and this is the part number. You can look online. And this for the left side, and the right side is right there. Okay, that's the right side. And this is the socket 19. Okay, and this side I think it's 19 also, but I'm using this plier, locking plier right here. Okay, take this number 12 here, which is the brake line, and take this clip, and also this push pin right here. Okay, take out this 17. And the bottom here, that's it. Just pull this out. Okay, so that's hanging right here, and our sticky oil right here. Okay, so you take the cover out. This is 5 bolt right here. Number size socket, this is 14. Okay. And one hand holding it, the start down here. Okay, when you come to the last one, you don't want to drop it to hit something down there. Okay, so I got it. Okay, see, so all leaking badly on this one. See ya. All right, let's put the new ones in. This is the right side. It's very easy because they designed this right here, no mistake. Okay, because this is open and it's open over here, so you just stick it to from the bottom here to right here, as long as it fit in there, and then that's it. Okay, and there's nuts coming with this, which is number 16. All right, so holding it, don't over tight it. You know, it's not really have to be that tight. It's not extremely difficult for you to do, and the bottom one's easy. Just hook it up, like you take them out. If it can't heavy, so just use a jack to lift the bottom. And if you're strong enough, you don't have to use a jack, but for me, I prefer to use a jack. Okay, that's it. Simple and easy. For best work, I will use my wrench impact. And put this one back in here. All right, this one's 17. I already put 2, okay? So let's test it again to see if the sound's coming back. Okay, so I don't hear that sound and the car isn't bumping like the before that I haven't put the shocks on it, okay? So I believe this solved the problem already. And you know, sometimes noise is kind of annoying very much. So but something like this, you can see the leaking is describe where the noise coming from already. So hopefully yours similar way, so you don't have to struggle to finding your noise. Okay, all right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next video. Don't forget to help me subscribe. Okay, bye bye now.